So they're saying the issues with the handles, yeah. Doors changing. Doors looking fine, but it's intermittent, so I'm here to change the lock. The handles need changing and the lock needs changing. So I'm going to be changing the handles and the thumb turn. So that's the handles off, they need changing. They've got screws missing, the inside bits are missing. I'm now just going to take the mechanism out, give it there we go. Got the front lock out, holes made bigger, fits fine. Just give it a good old quick spray in the service. Seems to be working okay now. I'm going to put it all back to the mech back in. All done. Handles on, just got to cut them down now. New handles, new lock. Locked. Find that on the inside. Locked. There we go, all done.